A lot of patients come in and think cleaning's a cleaning. It's just making your teeth feel better and, your breath smell better. And now through research and just technologies, we've noticed that it plays a big role in your whole body, your whole system. And I try to educate my patients that, hey, this disease that you have isn't just something that's in your mouth. It can really affect your overall health. And I try to educate them as much as possible to show them the importance of it.
In recent years, studies have shown gum disease can affect a whole lot more than just your teeth. The bacteria in your mouth can travel through your bloodstream and cause high blood pressure, heart disease, and potentially even a stroke.
I'm all about health and fitness, so I want to do the right things all the way down the line. So, coming and getting my teeth cleaned regularly and taking care of, my semi-annual checkup just to make sure, and then coming in for any other issues that I may need, you can't get much better than that.
So come sit with us and talk one-on-one with a dentist about any goals or concerns you may have regarding your health. Receive a comprehensive exam with x-rays, oral cancer screening, intraoral photos, and an excellent teeth cleaning. We are excited to have the opportunity to serve you. Please take advantage of our new patient special by calling today and mentioning the offer below.